Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my update for the Team Project Pan. It is the year-long rolling project pan with a bit of pan that palette at the end. So it was set up by Kat and Hailey. They're from the Beauty News. I love them. You probably already know who they are, but I'll link their bits and pieces down below. I'm going to try and jump through this as quick as I can, and we'll start with some empties and work our way through. So the first thing I finished up this month is the Fruit2Go body spray, and it all gone. Smells like teenagery 2000s. It's just a fruity scent. It reminds me of the chewing gum. What is that chewing gum? The yellow chewing gum, loop-de-loop. No, fruit. Juicy, fruity juicy. I can't remember, but that's what it smells like. It is a body spray from Soap & Glory, and I love them. Got 5 or 6 of them for Christmas, and we're working our way through them. They have a really nice mist on them, and it's gone. The next empty is the Givenchy Press Play Body Lotion. I don't know, is this because it was so incredibly old? It is really liquidy. It smells lovely. It came with a perfume. Oh God, it smells quite luxurious. I don't really know how else to describe that, but it's all gone. It's really liquidy. I wouldn't get it again. It's too much for what it is. I finished a lip balm from Aldi in Cien Shiny Pearl, and it's all gone. It reminds me of the Nivea one. That is it there. You get them in a set of 3. They're fantastic. I have more to replace them with, but I really like them. I'll probably keep getting them. They're very comfortable on the lip before doing makeup. Next is another lip gloss. Are you sick of seeing these by now? Well, I will have you know that this is the last of the set of 7. So it's the Tarte lip gloss, the Maracuja one, in the shade Soleil. Soleil reminds me of Monsters Inc. Okay, that's it, all gone. I really like these. Isn't it amazing that you leave something in your drawer for so long? You're like, eh. And then you go and you use it and you're like, why didn't I use that? It smells like peppermint. It's maracuja. It makes your lips look really wet. It was a Christmas edition in 2013 and they don't sell them anymore. I actually went to the bother of looking, so I know I like it. Next is a deluxe size sample, Benefit Their Real Lip. What is this? Double Lip the Tip in the shade Pink Thrills. I shall try show you. La 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 la. Here's a lost swatcheroo. The alleged lip liner portion is not a lie, it's the truth, unlike some things lately. Okay, so you see the little triangle bit? It's a really comfortable formula. It's creamy, it goes down quite quick. It is comfortable on the lips, and it's a really lovely shade. I would actually get this shade, and I am not a pink lipstick wearer because I fear it'll make my teeth look even more yellow than they already do. And you use it up by twisting here. So that's that gone out of my life, and I kind of would like to get it again. And here we go. This is the Naked Skin Concealer Under Eye Concealer Corrector in the shade Peach. And it's all gone. Thank the Lord for that, because I did not like it. I've been using this since I got it last year, 2017, in April, all the time. It's transparency, so when you put it under the eye and then you go boop, boop, boop with the Beauty Blender, and then it's, excuse me, it is like transparent pink peach under eye, and it doesn't cover any dark circles, so it's not worth the money for me. I got it on discount, so I paid €21.60. There was an offer on at the time, so that's how much that cost. I know that the concealer versions are very popular, but for the corrector, no. So we used up 6 products this month, if that looks, yeah, we've used up 6 things this month. So that's good. It's not as good as other months, but 6 is wonderful. So I think at the moment I have over 30 products used up in this project alone, which is fan-fluben-flastic. Fan-fluben-flastic. Fluben. I'll link the other ones above, or if you want to go through the empties, there's a big pile of empties all over the shop there too. So what did we roll in its place? In its place for the body spray, we rolled in the Sugar Crush. Look at this. It smells like the Sugar Crush. Oh. Why did I do that? It smells like the Sugar Crush, the body lotion, and I actually have the body lotion, so I wear them both together. Don't look out the window, Steph. Who is that? I don't know. So this is the Sugar Crush body spray. I really enjoy it. It smells like the body lotion. Don't know if I enjoy it enough to go out of your way to go get it again, because I prefer perfume, but the mist on this is lovely. So that's the first roll in that we have here. Hold on. What's next? In place of the lip balm, we're rolling in this one. So this one is the CN Care, 4.8 grams. Let's just roll it up. Look at that. So I've kind of started using this one a little bit. This one tastes a little bit like licorice, and it's a very wet balm, whereas the other one was quite a creamy balm, but this one is wet. Next roll in is the Matte Me by Sleek in the shade Petal. I actually have 3 of these. Not because I had any brain in my head at the time. I was living in I was house sharing when I was in college, and after college I was still house sharing before. And I had not got any storage space, so I had to keep my makeup in shoe boxes. And I didn't think to look at what I already had when I went shopping. And I ended up buying the same one 3 times on 3 different occasions. So we're going to try use this one, and if we like this one, we'll keep them. If we don't, we're going to give them away to someone. They're still wrapped in their packaging, so it's okay to give away. So here we go. This is what we're going to roll in its place. How many mils are in you, bad boy? How many mils are in you? 6 mils. But it's a liquid lipstick, so you can't really reapply them without them crusting up the old lip head. I don't have an under eye corrector to roll in the place of the other one at the moment, and I'm not letting myself right now buy another one. Body lotion, I'm going to insert a picture because I forgot to bring it home from work, but I already have rolled in the Gucci one. My mum gave it to me. It's really, really liquidy. It's Gucci by Gucci. It's in a dark goldy brown bottle, as you can probably see from the side here. It's not transparent, so you can't see through it. I'll probably go through it pretty quickly because I can already feel it getting lighter. It is extremely liquidy. I don't like that at all. Again, I don't know, is that because I have it for so long? Sorry, I keep looking up to the viewfinder. I'm trying to make sure the camera is still rolling. So as for blush, I just said I'll mention it quickly, and I'll insert where I was up there as well. Here is where we are on the blush at the moment. This is the number 7 one in Soft Damson. I haven't got much use out of this month, but that's okay because I am using the Tarte Extraordinary from my Roulette Pan collab. I love that one for summer because it's more glowy. I have it on today. I'm really bad at doing lighting on this, but so I don't know if you can see, but it's more glowy than this one, and this one's matte. Hopefully we'll try to finish them both. So I rolled in the last time the lid came off of this. The Makeup Revolution, the Vivid, what is this? Vivid Bake Bronzer in Golden Days. I have 2 of these. I absolutely love them. I went looking to see if they have them still, and I found them on a few websites, but not on them all. So here's where we are on this at the moment. It's the bronzer I have on today. Can you see? I don't really know how much I've used that, but like the dome is, sorry, there's a sticker there. The dome is wearing down. I have it on today. I don't really care if this takes a while, even though I need to sort my life out on bronzers, because I really like it. It's not glittery, but it does give off a bit of a sheen, a bit of a glow. And at the moment, that seems to be what I want out of a bronzer and blush, even though everything else up until this point was always matte. Don't know why. But that's where we are on the bronzer. I would get it again. There's 13 grams in here from the get-go. I just really like it. Isn't it funny that some things can cost 700 billion euros and some things can cost 7 euros? And it just doesn't matter how much it costs. Some things are nicer whether they're cheaper or not. It doesn't make a difference. This one is more affordable and I prefer it over more expensive things. Just going to quickly mention this. The Nivea Post Shave Balm has the markings rubbed off. Went from here down to here. I really enjoy this. It's taking a lot of time to, whoops-a-daisy. It's taking a lot of time to use because you only use a little bit of it at any given time. 100 mils from the get-go, €3 something. A lot cheaper than most primers. Bit of glycerin in it from Nikki Tutorials said. And it keeps your makeup on longer. That is true. Next, I have a foundation that I rolled in the last time. It is the It Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Fair. I didn't mark it. Bear with me. Didn't mark it because it is, if any of you have seen my haul, this is new to my collection and kind of, so here, we've used this much so far. I am alternating this foundation and the Inglot one because some days I'm wearing fake tan because I'm really pale. So, next is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Here's my markings. I don't like this anymore. I think it's because it's expired because I've used other ones and it don't have the problem. It makes my eyeshadow ball up and it just doesn't look nice. And I know I don't like it because in work I'll put it on, that's fine. But if I'm going somewhere where I want to look nice, I won't put this on. So 20 something euros waste, isn't it really? Isn't it a waste? But I've a load left. And I do think maybe it is expired, and that's the reason why, because I used a sample thingamajig, a sample set recently, and I really liked it. So it must be expired. So the next product is the Sleek Highlighting Palette in Solstice. Yeah, in summer, in Solstice. So as you can see from the last time, I had a lot of use on the gold shade, mainly. And this time, this is a very difficult product to hold up. This time, as you can see, we've only got a tiny bit left up the top. Would I finish that bit this month? I don't know. I thought I'd finish it the month just gone. Sorry, you can see here. We've got a bit of use here and a bit of use here, but I have been focusing on this. So my goal for next month is to finish off that gold shade and then work away on the other two. And the last little bits and bobsy boobsy before we do the palette is just a quick mention. I'm still working on the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast. It is really, really good for lengthening. It's so good for volume. However, it transfers. Like, if it could just get rid of the transfer thing, that's the only thing holding me back. It's so good aside from that. Next is the bane of my... No, sorry, that's really mean. Just this product is never ending. It is the Amazing Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Fair. I've been panning it for about 3 goddamn years. I don't think... Hang on, bear... Yeah, I'm at that blue line down there. I don't think I've moved on since the last time. There's 15 mils in here, which is half a full-size foundation. And it is really thick, and I have it on today. It takes barely nothing to use it. It's just such a teeny minimal amount will go such a long way. And it's just a little bit heavy for what I want right now. And it's too light to conceal the rest of the face. But aside from that, it's a little bit heavy for what I want. And it's 39, it cost me 39 euros. This last product before we do the Panda palette portion is the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade, sorry, there's someone outside, in the shade 2. I've panned one of these before. I am not worried about this. It takes about a year to use. I'm going to try work down from the sides, because last year when I panned one, I worked down the middle and then it just went hard when I hit the end. So I'm just going to work it down evenly if I can. Sorry, I don't have any nail varnish on. I'm really bad at nails. So that's that product, and I really like it. There's nothing to say other than that. Last product is something that when you see you'll think is 700 years old, but it's not. I got it in a set from Pete Porrick from Christmas, not last year, the year before, and this is the Revolution Matte Edit. And the last time, I don't know if you saw the last time, but anyway, we'll see from the picture here. I'm really sure I had 2 finished. So here we go, Life. Okay, can you see? I don't know how well this is showing, but we'll go. So the 2 cream shades are gone. I'm now working on this cream one. There is no dip in it as of yet. The top shade I'm working on up here, there's a good bit of a dip there. I'm currently using that to do the crease and for my eyebrows. The orange shade, there is a dip there too, and the dark brown shade there's a dip in. The rest are all nudes of some description, and that's fine. It's really handy to have an all nude palette, I think, in your collection, if you like me. So I'm really enjoying it. We've got dips in the remaining shades that I'm working on, as I said. The dark brown, the orange, and the top nude in the middle, and no dip in the cream. We've only started working on that. No rush on the cream, because I don't know if I have any more matte creams in my collection, but here we are with that palette. So that's it for this update. Thanks a million for watching. I hope I didn't forget anything, because I feel like there wasn't as much here. But we'll see you the next time, and thanks a million.